For your first order to Public Goods, you get a free 2-week trial, and if you use my code, which I'll have linked in the description box and also in the comments, you get 15% off your first order. In today's video, I am really excited since today we are going to be doing a Public Goods unboxing / review haul video. I am super excited to have received these items, and you know, all of my thoughts and opinions are my own. This is what came in the mail the other day. I got lots of different things across a variety of different categories, and I really can't wait to show you what's inside this tiny little box. For those of you who are not familiar with Public Goods is a brand, and you can check them out on their website, publicgoods.com. What is really cool about them is that they deliver essentials across a variety of categories. They have personal care, household, pantry items, over-the-counter, and just a variety of different categories. So these different categories, they have a set of values. I think it's awesome when a company tells you its values up front with the consumer, so you know the quality of the products you're getting. There are no surprises there. The values that truly speak to me is that they really care about the environment. They try to make their packaging out of eco-friendly materials and very sustainable materials. Public Goods finds ethical vendors, and they use really sustainable packaging such as sugarcane bottles or tree-free paper. I think that's a really awesome thing that they're doing. Public Goods really tries to create their products without any harmful ingredients and weird additives that a lot of companies often add to their food products. So I think it's super great to have a company really dedicated towards health. It's very affordable for their products, but the products that they feature is very, very high quality. Public Goods products really has the same values that I look for when I look for a product online or when I'm shopping in a store. It has exactly the same values with sustainable packaging, healthy products, no like weird chemicals and additives, and also just the quality of the products, right? When you buy something, you don't want something that breaks the first time after you use it. You want something that lasts for a long time so you can enjoy using the product. Also, we need to talk about their packaging because a lot of the items on their site that I see is just so beautiful. It's simple, minimalistic, which I'm a fan of. Like, take a look at this product right here. It's just so pretty, right? Or take a look at this one. Like, I love the style. It's just minimal, sleek, like it fits with every single house that you're in. Like, you know, you can't go wrong with it. The way that the Public Goods website works is that you first sign up for a membership, similar to how you would sign up for Costco or Amazon Prime. You have that membership, so then you can purchase the items from the Public Goods store, which is all online. Super convenient and accessible. And they do this membership model because the items are so affordable and they're so low price. So they eliminate all those margins that typically like a retailer typically has. So they cut all that out. Public Goods gets the items from the vendor and they deliver the items to you. That's how they're able to deliver the products at such a low and affordable price for a very, very high quality product. Looking through their website, the products are so beautiful and they have a variety of options that you can choose from. There is only like one shampoo and one conditioner and one body wash, so it saves you additional time when you're just trying to rush out the door. You know, you're working on a few things. It's so convenient when you know that the product that you're getting is exactly what you need. Their membership is so affordable. I guess we're seeing a similar pattern here. The membership is only $59, so it's practically only $5 a month, so that is just crazy cheap. Amazon Prime and Costco both have memberships for $120, so Public Goods membership is only half of that cost, so it's super, super affordable. But the first time that you order from Public Goods, you get a free 2-week trial, and if you use my referral code below, you get an additional 15% off from your order. So I'll have it all linked down below in the description and also in the comments. If you are new to my channel, my name is Tiffany and I post YouTube videos related to lifestyle, vlogs, unboxing, and so much more. So I'd love it if you smash the like button and also subscribe to my channel below. I am doing my best to grow my channel as fast as I can, and also click on the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. And without further ado, let's go open this up. Some scissors. First thing that you see when you open this up is this right here. That's such a cool touch. It says, "It's all good." How cute is that? I love it. Recyclable packing material. We love that. The first thing that we have here is this beautiful body wash. I love this packaging. It's minimalistic, it's sleek. It says paraben-free, vegan-friendly, sulfate-free, gluten-free, natural fragrance, and cruelty-free. So we love a good body wash. Let's go try and smell this. Oh my goodness, this smells like you're going to a spa. I honestly can't wait to try this body wash in the shower. I think they use a mixture of essential oils in this, so that's why it smells super amazing. I can't wait to smell like my favorite spa. So, love this. The next thing that we have is this hand soap. Oh my goodness. I just love the packaging on this. It's just so sleek and simple, minimalistic. Also paraben-free, vegan-friendly, same kind of spiel with the body wash. So it's very similar. We all need a good hand soap. I usually make my own hand soap, but I like to mix it up from time to time. And I recently made my DIY hand soap, and if you haven't seen that, I'll have it linked up there. Give this video a like if you like the design that they're showing. I think I love it so much. The next thing that we have, is this Cantuccini organic Italian almond cookies. I guess it's similar to a biscotti of some sort. It says the essential Italian cookie made with organic flour and cane sugar and loaded with healthy almonds. The perfect after dinner treat or a complement to an espresso or cappuccino. Oh my gosh, that sounds so good. Healthy ingredients with nothing to hide. Has all of this labeled here. Non-GMO and all natural. It's actually from Italy. When they say Italian here, they're not lying. So we love that about this. Maybe I should go try this out right now. Oh yes, look at that almond. It just smells amazing. It has that satisfying crunch that you want in a cookie, and I can't wait to dip it in some coffee or just eat it with some tea. So good, but it's also really good by its own. Delicious. I just came back from eating 3 cookies and they were so good. It really hits the sweet tooth spot. So the next item, it's wrapped in this packaging. Very secured packaging. This is the garlic powder. It's organic and non-GMO. It says zesty and sharp. Yeah. I got this garlic powder since I really wanted to make garlic bread, pull out garlic rolls that I've been seeing everywhere, and also actually to put on my spaghetti and pastas. I heard that if you put a very small amount of garlic powder to your pasta, it enhances the cheese flavor. I don't know if it's true, but I really wanted to give that a try. So, and I love garlic. Dish soap. Again, I love the minimal packaging. So trendy, we love that. It has healthy ingredients, the same spiel as the body wash and the hand soap. Also, it reads that it's plant-based, so that is super cool. We love a plant-based dish soap. Looking at their website, it seems that it's very highly concentrated and a little goes a long way, and we need a dish soap that does that. Let's be real, when a dish soap roughens up your hands, you know it's probably something that's not natural. So I can't wait to try this out and see if that effect still happens for this one. I hope not. Looking at the ingredients here, they're just super natural, like from coconut, from citrus fruit. Yeah, very natural. Bar soap, same sort of packaging, and I love a good bar soap, and it smells so good. Oh my gosh, I can smell through this packaging. It's all natural, fragrance, paraben-free, vegan-friendly. yeah, this is the ingredient list if you want to take a look. The last thing on this box are these plantain chips. I love plantain chips. Give this video a like if you love plantain chips. Let me know if you have given this a try. It's very healthy, just plantain, vegetable oil, and salt. So it's very clean ingredients here. Love that. That is it for my haul. I hope you all enjoyed this video and unboxing. I really can't wait to try out all the products that I received from Public Goods, and I really hope that you check them out. For your first order to Public Goods, you get a free 2-week trial, and if you use my code, which I'll have linked in the description box and also in the comments, you get 15% off your first order. So highly recommend for you to check it out and let me know what you think. I am really excited to try all these products out, and I just can't wait to start using them and just putting the items on my counter and on my bathroom. I think it'll be so trendy and super cute. The products that I got were super affordable and also seem super luxurious, like the smell of the body wash or the hand soap. I think it's awesome that I'm able to get all these products at an affordable price and also very premium products. This is not your dollar store kind of products, right? This is really luxurious and premium products, and they sell it at publicgoods.com for a very affordable price point. So I think that's super appealing. If you like this video, please make sure to smash the like button and also click on the subscribe button below. It's a big red subscribe button. And also click on the notification bell below next to the subscribe button. And I will see you all next week. Bye guys!